Hi there guys, welcome back to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I'm just going to be doing a nice little simple solder repair on a switch for my 580 rig. Going to turn it on or turn it off, either. The actual switch completely fell off the solder points there, so I do believe, even though it's only a £1 or £2 or a couple dollar repair, I've already got the flux, I've already got the solder, so I might as well just give it a go and get it fixed and resoldered back on there. But what I'll do is I'll just throw a clip in there to show you the rig that this came from. Have completely replaced this switch with another one for the rig, but I do plan on just keeping little backup ones like this just to be on the safe side, just to make sure that I actually have parts and pieces if anything that does break during these times. So what I'm going to do is, just while I wait for this soldering iron to heat to the right temperature, I'm going to strip these two wires just so that I've got a better solder connection points, and I'll jump back in for you guys once that's done. Okay, so now these two ends are stripped. What I want to do is just get these nice and twisted so that we can get the connection on a lot better than we had on there originally from the factory. Sorry if you do hear any banging or anything like that in the background, we do have some work going on at the moment. Stick a lot better when I'm actually trying to solder these. I'm sure there is a simple correct way to wire these wires up. But I do believe I got it around the right way this time, so this isn't something that I need to worry about. Just very quickly go back into temperature. Okay. Now we're going to need to get some solder on there onto that contact. So let's make this work. So what I'm going to do to make this a little easier, I do actually have a holder for this, which I would recommend everybody to use, and do not just leave it just placed on a piece of paper, which probably would be more of a fire hazard than it would be anything other than one. So what I'm doing is I'm just twisting around the wire around the connector on there, just to make this solder connection a better connection, because it is a very small area to work with if you do not have starting to get somewhere. Around there, nice. Now if you guys have got any better tips and advice, obviously definitely drop them in the comment section, but I'm fully aware that having some sort of like thing to grab onto it or something like that, or to clamp onto, would be a lot better, and I probably will purchase one. For now, this is working. Soldered those joints a lot better than I got them from factory, and this will be now a working switch. Only £1 or $1 or $2 saved, but it's definitely better than throwing it away, and it's also a good bit of practice for soldering if you're someone like me that does like a bit of soldering. Okay, so that'll be the end of this repair and tutorial video on this. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, please do let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one.